Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video will be about log transformations and what is the purpose of log transformations, how we can convert our variables from non-log form into the log form, basically in the natural log form. So there is the option in the EViews to convert non-log form into the log form. So let's first import the data in the EViews. I have a data on my desktop, so basically the money supply data for money supply. This is the data. So I want to run regression, and what are the variables in it? Let's check it. Yes, so basically ms is our money supply, which is dependent variable, and interest rate, GDP, exchange rate, and consumer price index, basically a measurement of inflation. So one dependent and four independent variables exist in our model. This resit is your residual series, and year is the number of year, and b is the constant. So money supply is your dependent variable, and interest rate, money supply depends on interest rate, GDP, exchange rate, and CPI. So basically when money supply maybe in different units, interest rate in percentage, GDP is in maybe in the figure term, no percentage, just constant term. So basically when there is the different units in the equation, so it will not give you the correct graph. If we want to check the graph, first open it as group. So how we open it as group? First select the variables, first independent variable, so money supply is dependent. First select it, then press control and select all other variables, then open it as group. When we open it as group, this is in the group data from 1993 to 2022, basically 30 years data we have taken. Time series data and yearly data. Money supply is dependent, and these four are independent variables. So I want to check graph. So in order to check the graph, first go to the view and then this graph, click on graph. So there are many types of graph: bar, line, and symbol, bar, spike, and all of these types of graph you can check it, but the most commonly used is the line and symbol graph. So line and symbol graph, click on OK. Yes, so basically there are money supply which is shown by the blue line, but there is no blue line. It is inculcated in this line and it is not clearly visible. Yes, money supply is this horizontal, in the horizontal. Interest rate showing by the red line is again missing, and it is again shown in, I think, in this maybe in this line. GDPs, there's the one, only one variable is clearly showing its trend. Other variables, interest rate, exchange rate, CPI, and these are and they're missing. So basically this comes due to the different units. So in order to make it unit free, we normally convert into the log form. So log transformation. So first of all, you can minimize it as well and store your data, or you can simply cross it. So how you convert this into the log form? So go to this generate series, or there is the option in the here, generate series. So from generate series, or you can directly open it from this one. So in order to convert these variables one by one into the log form, so first of all write L, let's say ms, log of ms. So any name you can give to name it, or you can write it as ln with small ln ms. It's your choice. So basically I want to keep this form equal to log, then use this bracket and put the variable, which is basically money supply, ms. Keep this as it is, whatever mentioned here, it is in small letters, so ms in small, or it is appear here. You can double click here, so it will appear, and close the bracket and you press it. So this money supply is converted into now lms, log of money supply. So one by one we need to convert it. So lir equal to log of ir. So log of non-positive missing generated. So this is basically in the data, but it converted into the log form, log of ir. Same wise applied for gdp. For exchange rate as well. Same wise for cpi as well. Yes, now log of money supply, log of interest rate, log of GDP, and log of exchange rate, and log of CPI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So when you need to open this log formed as a group. So again, first select the dependent, then all the independent variables, and then open as group. Yes. Now, if you see the graph, then the graph will be clearly visible because the log transformation convert all the units into a unit free conversion. This is unit free conversion basically. Yes, now it is okay, visible. So this is your basically LGDP, log of GDP. This black line showing your exchange log of exchange rate, and this blue color, yes, this blue color is your money supply, and this ir is your basically interest rate. There is some missing data in our data, that's why this is the break comes here. Otherwise, because of the missing data, it creates this space. Otherwise, the data, if the data is continuous, then this line will be continuous. So basically this is the purpose of log transformation. Thank you so much for watching.